Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Do you ever feel like price action is not telling you the full story? Well, let us talk about a tool that adds the missing piece, and that is the beta volume indicator. Okay, the beta volume indicator. Now, this is how you level up your market insight. All right. The beta volume indicator is a customized version of standard volume analysis. It doesn't just show how much volume is present, it categorizes volume behavior into unique bar types that reflect what is happening behind the price. Now, what is the core idea? Volume precedes price, right? When you understand the activity fueling price moves, you see the market with a whole new level of clarity. All right? See the market with a whole new level of clarity. Okay, so let's just have these both on the chart. Now, here is what makes the beta volume indicator different. Okay, we can see that we have more than one versions of the beta volume indicator. I just decided to add the other one to the chart right now. But we're just going to be looking at, the basics, understanding how to take advantage of these indicators, right? So basically, like with the standard volumes indicator, when you have the volume bars getting to the extreme, right? Extreme top, it signals extreme buying or selling, depending on the color code, right? So you have to watch out for price action when the volume surges to the top. You have to watch out for price action. Pay more attention when the volume bars rises above this line, whether you are using this version of the BV indicator or this version, whichever. Ensure that the volume bars have risen above this moving average, right? Once the bars have risen above this line, pay close attention to price action. All right, let me say you should be more focused on what happens next when the histogram bars rises above this line. When the histogram bars are below that line, it could be a phase of consolidation or a period of low volume. All right, because low volume bars shows disinterest or possible consolidation zones, while high volume bars signals extreme buying or selling. So when the volume bars cross above this line, you should pay attention. Watch out for how price reacts. If you notice that there is a surge in the trend, maybe for example, at this point, you can see that the bars rose above the line, and you can see how this particular candle was. You can see that there was a strengthening of the bearish momentum. So depending on the time frame you are trading on, if you are trading on a smaller time frame, it could be a very good opportunity for quick scalping. You could just scalp quickly around that point. If it's on higher time frames, it could be a good entry point, especially if it is in the direction of the trend. If it's against the trend, you can just neglect it, okay? Because you want to maximize your profits. You want to take advantage of high probability trades. So you want to focus on higher time frames. You want to focus on trending markets if you are trading on higher time frames, right? So when the histogram bars rise above this line, these lines, it shows that the momentum, or rather the volume, is something that is worth paying attention to, right? But when the volume bars are below the line, of course, it could be a consolidation phase. So each bar color tells a story. You are not just looking at a line, you are reading market emotion. in Forex, where liquidity is massive and moves happen fast, being able to interpret volume can give you a serious edge. Now, while standard volume indicators lag or mislead, the better volume indicator shows when real pressure is entering the market. All right? So you can use it to spot exhaustion in trends, reversals before the payout, breakouts with real momentum, and all of that. Okay, it works across time frames and pairs. You can combine it with support and resistance or price structure, and you've got a killer combo. Okay, ensure that you pay attention to your support and resistance zones. Remember, when you have a surge in volume, when a breakout happens, it adds to the validity of that breakout. Likewise, when you have a surge in volume, when a breakout fails to happen, maybe a reversal. Okay, let me put it another way. When instead of breaking out, price gets rejected and you get a surge in volume, maybe a surge in sell volume after a rejection around the resistance, it could be that reversal is strong. So that's the reason why you have to pay attention to volumes and price reaction at the same time. Price action analysis combined with volume analysis is actually a good combo. Okay, so you want to pay attention to all those. Context matters. All right, this works across time frames and pairs, and you should not just react to every colored bar. Context matters. Use the indicator in zones of interest where price is stalling or breaking key levels. Look for volume spikes during consolidations or churn at the top of rallies. All right, this tells you when the market is about to make a decision. So make it part of your Confluence stack. Okay, it shouldn't replace your system, it should enhance it. The better volume indicator is not flashy, right, but it is quite powerful. It can be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. Okay, volume analysis is actually crucial and beneficial. So if you have been relying on price alone, you are only getting half the picture, and you're going to be missing out on some important opportunities, right? So add volume to your game and see the difference in clarity and timing. If this helps sharpen your trading skills, smash that like button, subscribe for more strategy breakdowns, and drop a comment if you are ready or if you are already using this in your setup. Whether you are ready to use it or if you are already using it. All right? Let me know in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.